How's it going? Just picked up my 89-inch bifold ATV motorcycle ramp. It's aluminum. It's nice and lightweight, only about 20 pounds. It is rated at 750 pounds, or as a pair, 1,500 if you're loading an ATV or side-by-side, something of that sort. Nice and lightweight. Aluminum. Folds in half for easy storage. I like to use it on my trailer for loading my motorcycle. Comes with an attachment strap. That way the ramp doesn't kick out on you when you're loading your ATV or motorcycle. Hook it anywhere on the ramp here in one of these openings. Hook it onto your trailer. Cinch it up. Ramp won't kick out when you go to load it. I like to sometimes buy them as a pair or use two of them when loading a motorcycle. It makes it a little bit easier if your loading surface is a little bit higher than my trailer. Lock your bike up, nice and easy. Unloading just as easy. And I like the ramp since it folds in half. It's easy to store in your garage and get it out of the way for use later on down the road.